In modern warfare, some weapons don't return because they are not meant to return. This is the Harop, a loitering munition, also called a suicide drone. Now a key asset in India's high-technology arsenal. Built by the Israeli Aerospace Industries and adapted for Indian requirements, the Harop can hover over a battlefield for up to 6 hours, scanning for enemy radars, missile launchers or command posts, and then dive in, destroying itself and the target in deadly final strike. Unlike cruise missiles or conventional UAVs, the Harop doesn't need to return path. It's a hunter-killer with its own explosive warhead and autonomous target selection capability. In 2019, reports emerged that India had quietly deployed Harop drones along the line of actual control amidst Chinese tensions. Capable of striking high-value targets across the border without radar detection, the Harop is a tool of asymmetric precision warfare. The Indian Air Force is believed to operate dozens of Harop systems, and more are on the way. Possibly even an upgraded version with extended range and AI-based target acquisition systems. India is also developing Indigenous Kamikaze drones inspired by Harop's success, signaling a shift in doctrine where unmanned expendable systems will be used to saturate and overwhelm the enemy defenses. It's precise, it's lethal, and it doesn't come back. The Harop isn't just a drone, it's a signal that in the battlefield of tomorrow, machines will hunt machines and India will be ready.